Hello everyone, welcome to the newest iHelp video. I'm really sorry it's been a little while since we've uploaded. We've just been really busy. It's been the end of the quarter for school and just a lot of work. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Today, as you can tell by the thumbnail and title, we're going to actually be working on how to set up a safe and secure security camera on the KASA TP-Link app. So let's get right into it. Let's open up the app, which you can find on the App Store, called KASA. So our device is called Front Door. So let's click on it to see it. So obviously we took it down from the front door so that privacy, but right now I was just looking at a few pillows. So we can press on this button to start talking, and you can actually hear it in the background possibly. And we can take a picture just like that. So let's go over how to set something like this up. So device name, front door, perfect. Detection. We're gonna keep it on detect person on, and motion sensitivity, I like it to be on 4, but you can do whatever you want. Record motion that lasts at least 1 second, and you can, if you have a baby, you can turn on listen for sound and detect baby crying. Right now, that's the only option that they have. 24/7 video recording. Notifications. I have notifications on for always. And status LED, everything like that, super cool. I actually turned off night vision because I don't think it works that well. It just makes things like a fish eye lens, and it makes it lower quality, and we live on a busy road, so there's always street lights, so it's perfect. You can also turn on the schedule, press plus, and you can do turn on power or turn off power at a certain time. And from here you can also turn on privacy mode, which actually blurs it, which honestly I don't know how this helps, but I mean privacy mode, you know. Yeah, so that is the KASA app. Scenes, smart actions, activity, cameras, and devices. To set up this device, follow the instructions that the app gives you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our iHelp channel, and go over to our parent channel called RHS. It's going to be linked in the eye in the corner right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if this was helpful. So see you in the next iHelp video or on RHS. See you in the next video. Bye.